This is a portable equipment assembly stand for field deploying equipment at temporary pumping and water monitoring sites. Each site needs a control cabinet, a battery box, and an antenna mast set up quickly, then broken down and moved to the next site. The current product: transporting is difficult, cables become a mess, and setup takes longer than it should. Creating a new concept begins with asking, how would I redesign this? Well, for each challenge posed by the current product, there was a specific design criteria that addresses it. First of all, difficult transport. The design response was creating a folding frame with integrated wheels. One-person deployment reduced loose components, cluttered appearance, dedicated cable hooks for routing, weight distribution, low battery position, and ballast placement, and for multiple antennas, dedicated mast supports. I developed two concepts for this design. One was creating a stand with detachable frames or hinged frames, while the other was creating a product with adjustable footings that self-locks at 90 degrees and folds up into a briefcase-like structure for easy transport. The design intent is to support the controller cabinet, battery box, Starlink dish, and Wilson directional antennas while addressing limitations of the current design, improving single-person deployment and breakdown for transportation, reducing visual clutter through integrated cable management, improving weight distribution and stability, and maintaining a fabrication-friendly approach suitable for manufacturing. This solution maintains simplicity of fabrication through the use of welded frame members, modular components, and mechanically simple folding mechanisms. The use follows a simple sequence. First of all, the transportation configuration, that is the folded base. Then you insert the modular frame or unfold the frame. Then install mast supports, and finally adding the equipment and ballast. Thank you for watching. For more content like this, consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so you're the first to know when a new video is posted.